Click on the link below to get price. The Duramax Storage Shed Kit, 13 feet by 10 feet, is an impressive addition to any outdoor space, providing an ideal solution for those seeking durable and spacious storage. The shed boasts a flat-top design, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also maximizes storage capacity. Constructed with high-quality, insulated panels, this building is designed to withstand various weather conditions, making it perfect for year-round use. One of the standout features of the Duramax shed is its insulation. The insulated panels help to regulate temperature, ensuring that stored items remain protected from extreme heat or cold. This feature is particularly beneficial for storing gardening equipment, tools, or any items sensitive to temperature fluctuations. The walls are robust, providing excellent durability against wear and tear, while the flat top adds a contemporary touch that blends well with most gardens or backyards. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to clear instructions and pre-cut components. Although it's advisable to have 2 people during construction, the process is manageable for DIY enthusiasts. The shed includes a double door entry, which allows easy access to larger items. Additionally, the lockable doors enhance security, providing peace of mind for those storing valuable equipment. The shed's overall design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Its neutral color scheme allows it to fit seamlessly into various outdoor settings. The roof is designed to handle rain and snow, ensuring that water doesn't pool on top, which is a common issue with flat-roofed structures. However, it's worth noting that while the shed is insulated, it may not provide the same level of thermal efficiency as traditional wooden sheds. Some users might find the internal space slightly limited depending on what they plan to store. Still, for general gardening tools, outdoor furniture, or seasonal items, this shed offers ample space. In conclusion, the Duramax Storage Shed Kit is a reliable, well-constructed option for anyone in need of extra outdoor storage. Its combination of insulation, durability, and aesthetic appeal makes it a worthwhile investment for homeowners.